How to buy gems in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy gems. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, there's a section of gems. So this is the place where it shows how much gems you have. Now simply tap on the section. So here there are 505 gems in my case. Now you can use these gems in different ways. Here you can add different widgets and you can even purchase different life in order to play the game. So here, as you can see, you'll be able to purchase them through using real money also. Here you can see different other methods and you can use the gem easily. So basically we use gems in order to redeem life and later continue our lesson. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.